Hello guys. So today we are going to see the project demonstration of a MBA project. The topic a study on prospects and challenges in JIT. That is just in time, with a special reference to Kaleshwari Refinery Private Limited, Chennai. Actually, the company Kaleshwari Refinery Private Limited, that we take it as a reference company. Actually, we don't have any relationship and we don't use any actual data of the company. Actually, this project was developed by one of our students. The student preferred to choose this company, so we use all the data from internet sources only. We don't collect any personal data, or we don't have any relationship with the company. Actually, this is for a student's project purpose, not a real-time perspective of study. So let us see what are all the things covered in this project report. So first of all, we want to know what is JIT. So if we Google it, you can see that what is JIT. So it is just in time, or JIT is a inventory management method in which goods are received from suppliers only as they are needed. So this is the meaning of JIT. So actually, for example, the goods transportation, that is input of the goods or output of the company goods are to be timely taken and timely given, so that only we can able to give the maximum productivity, so that the complete process of import and export of the goods for a particular production company will be discussed, and what are all the impacts based upon the JIT will be discussed in this project report. So as usual, so these are all the contents of the project. So it starts with the introduction part. So 5 different chapters has been allocated, with chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 5. So the chapter 1 will be the introduction part, chapter 2 will be the company related information part, and chapter 3 will be the review of literature, chapter 4 will be the data analysis and interpretation, and chapter 5 will be the conclusion part. So these are all list of tables inside this report, and a list of charts in this report. And here the chapter 1 starts with introduction of the study. So it starts with just in time. What is JIT? It was clearly discussed here, and what are the features of JIT was discussed. So this is the introduction of the study, and the chapter 1.2 discussed about the statement of problem, and 1.3 objectives of study, and 1.4 scope of the study, and 1.5 limitations of study, and research methodologies. So research methodologies, we used generally percentage method, correlation, chi-square test. That is a statistical tool used to do the research methodology. And coming to the chapter 2, here the industry profile. Basically, the Kaleshwari Refinery is an oil-based company. So the general information about the oil industry was discussed in the industry profile and company profile. So the Kaleshwari Refinery Private Limited is familiar for that gold winner oil brand. So we discussed about the basic information about that refining industry. And coming to the chapter 3, the review of literature. In review of literature, we discussed what are all the researches have been made related to this same concept, and these are all the literature review. And coming to the important chapter, the data analysis and interpretation. Actually, there will be a set of questionnaires. Actually, it was given in the last page of the project. So there is a 26 set of questions. So these are all the questionnaires. So for percentage based analysis, we need list of questionnaires, and it should be given to some kind of participants. So here the number of participants will be like 120. So the sample we are taking for 120 people, and we are making some kind of survey. So based upon the survey, the percentage analysis was done. So in the percentage analysis, so what are all the questions we are asking, we will tabulate the results, and based upon the tabulated results, we give the interpretation of the information, and a bar chart was representation chart was given to give the illustration purpose. And these are all the percentage analysis. So for example, a question was asked to an employee that sufficient level of safety stock maintenance are there or not. So yes, most of the people say that there are some safety stock are there in case of any natural calamities or natural disasters. If raw material is not available in a company, then definitely it will affect the production. So at the time the sales maybe go to decrease the and affect the sales level. So we will ask this question for the safety stock maintenance. Yes, so like that, the based upon the 27 questions, so the percentage analysis has been made. And finally, after the percentage analysis of 26 questions, a chi-square analysis has been made. So the general formula of chi-square analysis has been evaluated, and the results of chi-square analysis will be given here. The same thing for correlation analysis. And coming to the final chapter conclusion part, so it will be divided into chapters like 5.1 findings. So what are all the mistakes and what are all the things we need to take care on the particular industry should be given as a findings. And suggestions, so as a research scholar, we should give some kind of suggestions based upon the research we did. So here the list of suggestions will be given. And finally the conclusion part will recommend you the what will be the output, what will be the input, everything will be discussed in the conclusion part. And coming to the final part, bibliography, the textbooks, journals and websites, whichever we refer to complete this report, which will be stood out here. And finally the questionnaire, so we already discussed there are 26 questions. So this is the arrangement of this project report. Actually this project report did for a particular company. If you required any company related to the same topic also, we can able to do. And this report includes 97 pages. So this is more enough for an MBA project. And this project will be developed for a MBA students. If you are a BCom or MCom students also, we can able to develop a project according to your requirement. Or if you have any requirement, or if you need any support related to project development or content development, you can contact us. And also we are doing plagiarism checking works, and also we are doing publication services, ISBN services, etc. So if you require any support, kindly contact us. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and get updated. Thank you.